Whew. All right, friends, that was our trip for today. I hope you had a great time on our African safari trip. I hope you learned a lot about some of the animals. Go to the slide where it says that you can learn more about the African savanna. See if you can watch The Lion King. Most of you probably have already seen it, one of my favorite movies. Um, do that little dance that the African children were doing. It looks a little tricky, but I think if you practice, I think you can do it. I've had to take my hat off. I've got my water because I had such a great time with you guys today. I know the savannah is hot, so get some water. And tomorrow you're going to be going on another field trip. You're going to be going with Miss Call. So I hope you have fun with her tomorrow. I had a great time with you guys today. Keep your binoculars. You might want to use them tomorrow when you go on your trip with Miss Call. And have a good day.